Good morning to all the participants. Once again, welcome you all to this career-oriented course on communication skills and personality development organized by SBCT College. Friends, today we have the pleasure of having with us Dr. Rachna Date. Madam is the founder of EduStation, Quest EduStation Training and Learning Solutions Indore. Dr. Rachna Date has a strong academic foundation and has pursued multiple job portfolios with a blend of experience, including research, academic training, and administration. She is a management postgraduate specialized in finance and marketing and is an alumnus of IIM Indore. She is an academician, trainer, counselor, researcher, and a designer as well. A multifaceted personality amongst us today, friends. She has designed a number of short training modules as well as learning study material, which caters to various needs of the industry, students, and other individuals through her venture. That is Quest EduStation Training and Learning Solutions. And what she believes is teaching should be based on realities with more practical approach, as this approach helps the students in life and workplace. And friends, it is with this thought that today she has come with her topic, Panchasattva and personality development. Yesterday, Mr. Sarang Gedam talked about personality and spirituality. And today, Dr. Date will take that forward and explain to us the relationship between Panchasattva and personality. Madam, I welcome you on behalf of SBCT College and all the participants of this workshop. Ma'am, the floor is all yours.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And good morning, all the participants. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, see, I want your responses,
Good,
right? Because until and unless I don't hear from you, it is of no use, because this workshop is titled as Communication Skills and Personality Development, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to communicate with me all the time.
Okay,
See
ma'am.
that the communication has ended over here. You need to be communicative with the help of chat box, right? And before proceeding to our session, I want to float certain instructions so that this whole process goes on very well. So first of all, please mute your microphones now. Use chat box for interaction. Show reactions. So we are on Zoom and there are certain emojis you can use, and these will keep the session alive and it will keep me updated that yes, you are hooked in, and I will be also motivated. Correct? And keep noting your queries. Whatever query you have, keep noting them so that by the end of the session, when we have the question answer session, I can address each and every question which you have. Right? So the instructions are clear. You can use the chat box, you can use the emojis. I'm waiting for it. So with this, ma'am, with your permission, Matrisa, with your permission, may I start?
Please, ma'am.
Okay. I'll start sharing my screen. Screen is visible to everyone?
Clearly, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. So, see, this is one of the topic which we are going to cover in a series of personality development, right? So, what I am going to tell you today, is the Panchasattva. Panchasattva of personality development. Whenever we talk of personality as such, there are so many things in our mind, but I am taking you to a very different aspect of personality development, that is Panchasattva. Now we are going to start our journey with Panchasattva, right? Just a minute. There's one technical problem from my side. Let me handle it, and I'm going to start. So what does the sattva means? The topic of our today's presentation, today's session, Panchasattva. So what does the sattva means? Sattva is one of the three gunas, right? It is one of the three gunas, the attributes you can say, the virtues you can say in Hindu philosophy. I'm going to take it from English to Hindi, Hindi to English. I'll switch on with the language. I hope that's okay with you. You can use the chat box for that. The word sattva means light, the goodness and the purity. In Sanskrit, I'm talking about Sanskrit. Sattva is a Sanskrit word, and what does it mean in Sanskrit is the light, the goodness and the purity. Okay, so in ancient times, the individuals seek to invite and maintain a balance between self, body and the soul. See, self, your body and your soul, that is your Atma. So all these three together, when they come together, they are called sattva, and the light, the goodness, the purity. And all these things have three virtues, the three gunas. Now those who practice the sattva seek to nourish the body with the pure substances and engage in the purifying practices to elevate themselves. Elevate themselves का मतलब नहीं कि उड़ना, no. आप आज जिस स्तर पे हो उससे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आपको कल पता होना चाहिए, उससे और थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आपके पास नॉलेज नेक्स्ट डे होना चाहिए. सो एलिवेशन इन नॉलेज, elevation in virtues, elevation in self-discipline, and so many things which we are going to discuss today, right? So every individual has his own way of behaving. We all know that. We all are human beings. I am different, you are different, Mukta ma'am is different. For that matter, each and every one of us are different because we respond to the emotions differently. We behave differently. We react differently. We perceive the things differently. Our lookout at the world is different, and therefore we all as an individual are different. We are not similar at all. Now, how an individual is raised also plays an important role in shaping his or her personality. आपका जो भी आप परवरिश हम जिसे कहते हैं, आपकी परवरिश किस तरीके से हुई है, आपका एनवायरनमेंट कौन सा है, आपका एजुकेशन कैसा है, ये सब भी आपके पर्सनालिटी पे रिफ्लेक्ट करता है. एंड इट इज़ नॉट दैट ओनली दीज थिंग्स मेक्स योर पर्सनालिटी. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स in the environment which makes your personality. So there's again a problem. I don't know what is happening over here. Yes. So when I'm talking about personality, I have told you few things. So personality is nothing, but we can say it is an aggregate accumulation of what? Of the memories, of the incidents, of the individual's entire लाइफ स्पैन, अभी तक की जर्नी है ना. मैं पूरे इसका नहीं बोल रही हूँ, अभी तक की, आज तक का. आज आपका पर्सनालिटी क्या है, अभी तक के आपके मेमोरीज क्या थे, आप कौन कौन से इंसिडेंसेस के थ्रू आप वहाँ तक के पहुँचे हैं, एनवायरनमेंट क्या है, फिर आपने किस तरीके से किस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन पे रिएक्ट किया है, या कभी कभी हमने रिएक्ट किया भी नहीं होगा, ये भी पॉसिबल है. वी हैव नॉट रिएक्टेड और यू हैव नॉट रिएक्टेड टू इट. सो द environmental factors, the family background, even for that matter the financial background, the financial status, the genetics, situations, circumstances, all these things contribute to individual's personality. So in a layman's language, how we behave in our day-to-day life रिफ्लेक्ट्स आवर पर्सनालिटी. मैं किस तरीके से अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करती हूँ, किस तरीके से मैं बिहेव करती हूँ, ये एक लेमैन लैंग्वेज में अगर मैं कहूँ तो ये मेरा एक पर्सनालिटी है. मैं किसी को देख के एवरी मॉर्निंग, सी अभी तो सब कुछ ऑनलाइन है, स्टिल व्हेन आई टेक ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आई गिव देम अ वार्म गुड मॉर्निंग to my students, and I smile, I give them a good smile, and I give them a warm good morning, so everyone feels good. So this is a part of personality. A small thing, a small gesture becomes the part of your personality. So how an individual behaves depends on so many things, and apart from all these things what I have told you, there are other things like social background, emotional upbringing, the mental state, the physical condition, and all these things contribute to the shaping of the personality. So see, in the early scripts like Vedas and Upanishad, we find one of the first expressions of human being as a multi-dimensional and energetic phenomena. Now what does it mean? हम इंडिविजुअल्स जो हैं वो इतने मल्टीफेसेटेड है, ये पहली बार कितने करोड़ों सालों पहले जब वेद और उपनिषद लिखे गए, हज़ारों करोड़ों लाखों साल पहले की ये बात है, तब उन वेदों में उपनिषद में बताया गया है कि ह्यूमन बीइंग कितना मल्टी डायमेंशनल और एक तुम उसे कहोगे कि पुंज है जिसमें बहुत सारी एनर्जी है, और वो एनर्जी अगर हमने बहुत अच्छे से चैनलाइज की तो डेफिनेटली रिजल्ट्स हमेशा बहुत अच्छे होंगे. एनर्जी अगर कहीं गलत रास्ते पे चैनलाइज हो गई तो फिर हम सबको पता है कि रिजल्ट्स किस तरीके से हो सकते हैं, है ना. सो दस पर्सनालिटी कैन नॉट बी टेकन ओनली एज अ फिजिकल अपीयरेंस. केवल फिजिकल अपीयरेंस जो है वो आपका पर्सनालिटी नहीं है. देयर आर सो मैनी अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो. It extends to the different level of existence, incorporating your physical, social, and spiritual levels as well. Most traditional wisdoms throughout the human history has conceptualized human being as multi-tiered or multi-layered entity. जैसे प्याज होता है ना, इतने सारे उसमें layers होते हैं, तो उसी तरीके से we as a human beings are blessed with various levels, various layers, and these all layers need to be identified, and the energy within them has to be channelized in a particular positive way so that the personality is elevated. You get the development in the personality. Right? So what does the ancient Indian wisdom says? In Upanishad, you can see it on the screen, the self, the Atma or the consciousness is considered as a real core of personality. हम जो बाहर देखते हैं हमारा physical appearance, that only does not mean the personality. Your personality is your consciousness. It is considered, the Atma is considered as a core of your personality. So the personality starts from within, inside out. See the next slide. It will be more clear. The basic constitution of human being have an enormous range from physical through the all-powerful Atma. Atma से आप बाहर physical appearance, from inside out. We are ultimately linked with our consciousness, that is our Atma, and there exists a divine element. We are not going deep into this. No, I'm going to make it very simple for you all to understand what exactly personality is all about. See, we are the creatures who are blessed with emotions, with morality, and definitely each of us are brought up in a particular culture. So we as a human being are blessed to have emotions, to have moral values, and definitely the culture is a part of our personality. You all agree or not? Please use your chat box. Do you all agree? I want answers. Thoughts, feelings, and behavior. When I'm talking about the sattva, the sattva, the panch sattva, I'll take first the three things. We'll not go directly to the panch sattva first. First, we will reflect on the three gunas: thought, feeling, and behavior. Consciousness, unconsciousness, atma, physical body, see, all these things become very difficult to understand. But this is the basic concept of personality. But I want to make it very simple for you all. So what I have done, I have taken those things and translated it into a language which you all can understand. That is thoughts, the feelings, and the behavior. गीता, पता नहीं मुझे आप में से कितनों ने पढ़ी है, बट गीता हैज़ गिवन 26 virtues that are constituents of a highly developed personality. 26 virtues. 26 virtues में भी अंदर बहुत सारे सब हेडिंग्स हैं. 26 virtues में भी बहुत सारे सब हेडिंग्स हैं. Am I clearly audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If there is anything like that, you can always unmute yourself and let me know. So it also describes the three gunas, and according to three gunas over there, those are तामसिक गुण, राजसिक गुण एंड सात्विक गुण. हमको तामसिक, राजसिक और सात्विक इन सबसे अभी तो कोई काम नहीं है, ये बहुत आगे वाली बातें. अभी तो हम एक लेमन लैंग्वेज में समझेंगे. तो थ्री गुणाज में मैंने यहाँ पे कौन से थ्री गुण लिए? थॉट, feeling, and behavior. These are your three gunas. Personality, see, personality is a characteristic pattern of thoughts, what you think, feelings, your emotion, what you feel. See, emotions are stronger feelings, and the behavior that makes a person very, very, very unique. The entire existence in the nature is made up of combination of these three: your thoughts, your feelings, and your behavior. Each and every person is combination of three gunas. Now see, however all these three things are there in us, in each of us. जितने भी participants हैं यहाँ पे, नहीं हैं, जो कोई भी, any individual on this earth is a combination of thoughts, feelings, and behavior. Now the personality development involves maintaining these three gunas, these three aspects, in the right proportion, in right quantities, and definitely when you get a right mix of these three gunas, thought, feeling, and behavior, you get an elevated personality. You get a better version of yourself into the coming days. You can and it can be definitely reflected in your behavior. Thoughts and feelings definitely हम देख नहीं सकते, abstract चीज़ें हैं, दिमाग में रहती हैं, दिल में रहती हैं. Behavior definitely आपका जो भी reaction, action जो है वो behavior में हमें दिखते हैं. So through the process, how you perceive the things, how you deal with the emotions, your actions, your reactions becomes a behavior. So behavior is something which you can see. Thoughts and feelings यहाँ और यहाँ पे है ना. So ये दो चीज़ें हम नहीं देख सकते, behavior देख सकते हैं. But these three gunas are very important, and see how it makes beautiful. It makes you beautiful. It elevates you as a personality. Thought, feelings, and your behavior. Now, we know what is personality. We know we have come from the ancient wisdom, we have derived what exactly personality is meant over there, and from there we have made the things quite simple to understand. We have converted those three gunas into today's three gunas, that is thought, feelings and behavior. Now I am going to talk about what is personality development. So what according to you is a personality development? All these things, see, you can see on the screen, the positive thinking, self confidence, time management, blah 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 blah. There are so many things which come together and becomes the personality. And when everything is elevated, the personality also elevates. You get a developed personality for that matter. So it is a process. But does it mean only these things are contribute to personality development? Only these things contribute to the personality development, yes or no?
No, ma'am, this is not all.
There are so many things apart from that. Yes, definitely they are the part of personality development. They contribute a lot, but there are few things more to it, right? So personality development is defined as a process. It is not just one day job. आज आपने कर लिया, आज आपने ये सेशन अटेंड कर लिया, आपने ये एक हफ्ता 10 दिन का जो भी आपका बना हुआ है ये पूरा करिकुलम ये अटेंड कर लिया और आपकी पर्सनालिटी डेवलप हो गई, आप कम्युनिकेशन स्किल में एकदम मास्टर हो गए. नो, दीज थिंग्स आर like never ending process. You learn every time, every day, out of your experiences, out of your environment, and there are so many things which contribute to it. So definitely it helps the individual to gain the confidence and to have a high esteem. It is also said to have a positive impact on one's communication and the way the individual have the look out for the world, and individual tend to develop a positive attitude as a result of personality development. Yes, your mindset is developed, your mindset is trained to see the positive in everything, and that is the very basic thing of your personality development. You can say a stepping stone of personality development. So when I am talking about personality development is self-development, or it is also called as a personal growth. It evolves the growth and enhancement of all the aspects of an individual. So these positive development, these personal skills, these positive life skills should be always, now listen very carefully, should be always realistic. सबसे पहली बात, जो भी है डेवलपमेंट, जो भी आपने प्लान किया है वो रियलिस्टिक होना चाहिए. और दूसरा, इट शुड बी हेल्दी, इट शुड नॉट हार्म एनीवन. कि आप अपने डेवलपमेंट के लिए किसी और को हार्म पहुंचा रहे हो, किसी और को दुख पहुंचा रहे हो, तो ये पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट कभी भी नहीं होगा. तो दो एस्पेक्ट हमेशा पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट के ध्यान में रखना. पहली बात, योर गोल्स शुड ऑलवेज बी रियलिस्टिक, एंड सेकेंड, it should always be healthy, so you get a victory, right? Now see, when I'm talking about personality development, just look at your screen. It is soul, mind, body and heart all together, which helps you to discover yourself. It helps for the self development. It helps you to master yourself, that is self mastery, and self actualization, what actually you are, where actually you are. Self actualization is very 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 important. Until and unless you don't know yourself, self discovery से self actualization तक के पूरा साइकिल बनता है. एंड सी, नेवर एंडिंग प्रोसेस है, चलता ही जाएगा. कहीं मैंने फुल स्टॉप या यहाँ से इससे बाहर निकली नहीं हूँ मैं पूरे फिगर में. है ना? So it is an ongoing process. Now the core benefits of personality development. जैसे आप लोगों ने मुझे बताया जो पिछले स्लाइड में था कि मैंने पूछा आप लोगों से क्या होता है पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, क्या ये यही बातें होती हैं या कुछ और भी हम इसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं? नाउ दिस इज़ एन ओपन क्वेश्चन टू ऑल ऑफ यू. यू कैन अनम्यूट योर माइक एंड you can just tell me what are the core benefits of personality development. Can you tell me? I need at least 2-3 answers over there.
Ma'am, it helps in controlling anger
Okay.
and remain stable in situations that make you freak out.
ओके, ठीक है. इसे हम अगर बुलेट पॉइंट्स में कहें तो द कोर बेनिफिट्स ऑफ पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट आर सेल्फ एस्टीम, you get the goal direction, you are self directed, your mind is focused, you have effective traits, you have an attitude which is optimistic and that keeps you motivated, you have a greater resilience and more fulfilling relationships. So coming to the sattvas, the 5 sattvas of personality development, I'm going to talk about each sattva one by one. This is what today's presentation is all about. The earlier we have built a foundation for knowing what exactly personality is, what is personality development, and we know it is not just a physical appearance, it is something more than that. It starts from inside and then comes a personal appearance. So spiritual, emotional, mental, social and physical. So understanding the personal growth and development with these 5 sattvas, with these 5 elements. So it involves the personality development involves sattvas, pancha sattvas, mental, physical, social, emotional, spiritual growth. And that allows a person to live a productive and satisfying life within the customs and regulations of the society. See, we are not going anywhere out of the limits. There is always a borderline for each behavior, for each action and reaction, right? So this is achieved through the development of life skills, and the key to the personal development is to able to develop one's sattvas, pancha sattvas, which are in the form of spiritual, emotional, mental, social and physical. Taking one by one. Spiritual. Spiritual growth is a process of evolving your inner self and your consciousness. स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ पे शायद कल आप लोगों का एक लेक्चर हो चुका है जहाँ तक कि मुझे याद है. सो स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ एंड स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट में बहुत ज़्यादा मैं बात करूँगी नहीं. इट डेवलप्स द ग्रेट स्ट्रेंथ, करेज एंड एंड्योरेंस लेवल. It helps you to imbibe the humility, which is the basic thing any human being should have. As we embark on the spiritual journey, the pride, jealousy, selfishness starts to melt away. You become more humble. It builds the endurance level, and we can take the complete charge of our life, thereby living our life with no regrets, no guilt and no anger. This is the thing which connects us with other people. We can relate to them. We can understand their, you can say, their problems, their life, their thoughts, their emotions in a better way. Mental. This is very important. It describes the way we perform as a human being. Human beings are blessed with the best mind in this universe. So this includes the way we think, we feel, and most importantly, we make decisions. So personal development is not a long-term goal or objective or a social ambition. It is, as I said, it is a process. It is a continuous assessment along with aligning with your goal, and it enables you to identify and optimize your abilities along with your potentials. So it is a transformational process where your mind plays very important role. आपका जो mind है वो सबसे important role play करता है आपके personality development में. हमारे जो पंच सत्व हैं उसमें से एक सबसे महत्वपूर्ण सत्व इसे माना गया है आपका माइंड जो है वो. सो सी चेंज इज़ इनएविटेबल. चेंज हमेशा होता रहेगा हमारे आसपास और हमें अपने आप को अडेप्ट करना है उस पर्टिकुलर चेंज के लिए, जैसे अभी कर रहे हैं हम. सो इट इज़ ऑल हियर हाउ यू react to the change around you, how you accept the change. So it is all over here. If you are mentally strong, you take the changes which are happening around you, you take the changes within you in a very positive way. So personal growth is all about evolving, growing yourself and realistically achieving the ability, and your mind allows you to accept all these things and have a clear focused vision, and a clear mind allows you to be observant, to be alert all the time. And we human beings have the fundamental urge to link the minds. देखो एक बहुत ही आसान और बहुत ही ईजी मैं आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ. किसी भी दूसरों के एक्सपीरियंसेस से हम भी सीखते हैं, राइट? जस्ट अ मिनट. सीखते हैं या नहीं सीखते? चैट बॉक्स में आंसर करो. आपके पेरेंट्स अपना लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करते हैं, आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स अपना लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करते हैं, एंड ऑल दीज लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस व्हाट वी डू, हम इसे असिमुलेट करते जाते हैं एंड वी ट्राई टू रिलेट टू द सिचुएशंस एंड रिएक्ट इन द वे विच दे हैव रिएक्टेड. वो हमें बताते हैं ये उस समय गलत किया था, मैंने ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, तो हमें पता रहता है ये ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. सो इट इज़ आर we are blessed to have the you can say the most beautiful mind on this universe, and we reflect on the experiences by others, and this helps us to behave in a prudent way so that we don't make any mistakes. We try to avoid the mistakes with others' experiences, and this is all the mental process. Coming to the emotions. So what is emotion? Emotion is something which refers to how one feels. These are stronger than the feelings. There are mainly two kinds of emotion, pleasant and unpleasant. Pleasant emotions such as love, accomplishment, affection, and there are negative emotions as well such as fear, anxiety, anger. So all these emotions, I'm not saying any of the emotion is bad, positive as well as negative. ये दोनों तरीके के इमोशंस होते हैं और इसी के मिक्सचर से हम एक पर्सनालिटी बनते हैं. So it is never bad to have the negative emotions as well. But नेगेटिव एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इमोशन जो होता है वो बैड होता है. कैसे? सेल्फिशनेस, ये बैड है. हेट, अगर आप किसी को हेट करते हो तो ये दिस इज़ नॉट गुड. इफ़ यू आर जेलस ऑफ समवन, डेफिनेटली इट इज़ नॉट अ गुड thing for you as a personality. But we all have these things. So we try to level up the positive emotion and level down the negative emotions. So see, it is not that कि हमको कभी किसी ने hurt नहीं किया या हम कभी disappoint नहीं हुए या हमें कभी rejection नहीं मिला. मिलता है, मुझे भी मिला है, हो सकता है आप सबको भी मिला होगा. But it does not mean that कि आप इससे छोटे हो गए. No, it elevates you. How? आपको पता चलता है आप में कमियां क्या हैं, आप उस पर काम करना शुरू करते हो. आपको पता चलता है रिजेक्शन के बाद कैसे लगता है कि, तो जब कभी आप वहाँ बैठे हो जहाँ से आप किसी को रिजेक्ट कर सकते हो, आप इतने हार्शली उसे रिजेक्ट नहीं करते, आप समझाते हैं उसे कि वाई यू आर रिजेक्टिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, राइट? सो इट elevates the goodness in you when you have gone through all these negative emotions. So you become more humble as a person, you become more connected with all the feelings, the emotion, which is always a good thing, because we are the human beings, we have the emotions, and the good thing is we can express our emotions in a very right way. So the next sattva, that is emotional sattva, is also very important to make our personality, to design our personality, and to develop our personality. Coming to the social sattva, now the influence of parents, the peer temperament, moral compass, because मैंने आपको बोला हम एक बाउंड्री लाइन में काम करते हैं, हम एक बाउंड्री लाइन में बिहेव करते हैं, करना चाहिए. A strong sense of self and sometimes definitely critical life experiences make up the social panchasattva, one of the panchasattva. So now how I have become the kind of person I am today, लगता है ना बहुत बार मैं जो आज हूँ वो मैं कैसे बनाऊँ. इट इज़ ऑल ड्यू टू योर एनवायरनमेंट, जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया, आपका फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, आपका एनवायरनमेंट, आपका कल्चर, ये सब कंट्रीब्यूट करता है आपको एक पर्सनालिटी बनने में और उस पर्सनालिटी को डेवलप करने में. नाउ द इंडिविजुअल्स and the society, they are interlinked, and therefore the personality development and the society, these are also interlinked, because we get the security, the guidance, the knowledge, and definitely few good and the bad things from the society. See, all these things together makes a aura around us and gives us the good things as well as the bad things. It is on us what we absorb from the society. हम क्या अच्छाइयाँ absorb कर रहे हैं, या अच्छाइयाँ और बुराइयाँ absorb कर रहे हैं, या हम केवल बुराइयाँ absorb कर रहे हैं society से. So all these things are there. It depends on a particular person, it depends on the personality, how you absorb, how you take on that particular thing from the societies, your social background. It is one of the very crucial component of personality development. Physical, the most important thing in today's world, how you look, how you present yourself. So the determination to improve your body, it is very important, with diet, proper sleep, proper nutrition, and definitely the physical activities. It is feeling personally fit and necessary, and to improve yourself. Now it all begins with your mind and the attitude you hold on the self improvement. नहीं, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे अच्छा होना है, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा वेट गेन किया है, मुझे वेट थोड़ा सा लूज़ करना है, so that I look good. First impression, your physical appearance. आगे वाले को सबसे पहले आपका अपीयरेंस दिखता है, तो इट शुड ऑलवेज बी गुड. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू डेवलपिंग योर सेल्फ फिजिकली इज टू फोकस ऑन वॉट यू होप टू अचीव, मेक सम गोल्स, हैव अ पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन, एंड जस्ट गो and work on it. And besides being, when you are physically fit, it gets reflected on your face, you glow, you start feeling good about yourself, and definitely it overall it gives you a aura around you. आपने अंदर से अपना पर्सनालिटी डेवलप करना शुरू किया, और वो इट शुड ऑलवेज बी फ्रॉम इनसाइड आउट. सी, पंचसत्व जो बात करते हैं पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट की, जब हम बात करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू पंचसत्व, इट ऑल स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड एंड इट इज़ रिफ्लेक्टेड आउटसाइड. इनसाइड आउट जो मैंने आगे वाले स्लाइड्स में आपको बताया है. सो इट ऑल कम्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड and then it is reflected on your personality, and the physical appearance is also equally important. We are not ignoring the physical appearance. It is definitely one of the very important part, one of the very important aspect of your personality development. So a good posture, basic wardrobe, dressing sense, your communication skills are very crucial aspects. And the way you present yourself to the world is a part of your personality development, right? So these are the basic foundations of personality development, and there are so many facets of it. When I am talking about, देखो पंच सत्व की बात की है, स्क्रीन पे ध्यान रखिए. इमोशनल सत्व की जब मैं बात करती हूँ तो आपकी ये सारी चीज़ें आपके इमोशनल सत्व में आती हैं. ये सब चीज़ें पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट की जब भी हम वर्कशॉप्स करते हैं आपको ये सिखाया जाता है. पर जब मैं पंच सत्व की बात कर रही हूँ, मैंने इसे अलग अलग कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया है. से योर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, योर एस्टीम, लीडरशिप स्किल, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल, स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट. सिमिलरली यू कम टू सोशल, प्रोफेशनल एंड फिजिकल. अब आप मुझे बोलोगे कि मैम मेंटल कहाँ है यहाँ पे, क्या आप बता सकते हैं मुझे? एनीवन? यू कैन अनम्यूट योर माइक एंड यू कैन टेल. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर द आंसर.
मैम इमोशनल.
नहीं, इमोशनल तो मैंने लिख दिया वहाँ पे, मैंने सोशल भी लिख दिया, ये सब भी लिख दिया.
मैम सोशल.
प्रोफेशनल.
प्रोफेशनल में माइंड आएगा. अच्छा, ओके. और ओके, और कोई आंसर?
मैम ये 4 से मिलकर ही मेंटल हेल्थ बनेगी.
राइट, वेरी ट्रू. हु गेव मी द आंसर? मे आई नो द नेम?
अंकिता गंगाल.
Okay, Ankita, very good. You have got the real thing, the correct answer. Your mental sattva is behind all these 4 sattvas. So mental sattva is the peak and these 4 come over here. How you train your mind is very, very, very important. So enhancing the sattva. Wow, exactly, you can enhance the sattva. See, personality development moves from pure consciousness and gradually enhancing the 5 sattvas, as I told you, right? Since your thoughts and desires are simply the energies, it means that whatever you focus your thought on makes your reality. Movies में बहुत सारे ऐसे डायलॉग्स होते हैं ना, आप शिद्दत से जिसे चाहो सारी कायनात लग जाती है आपको उससे मिलवाने में. एंड दैट इज़ ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू. आप पॉजिटिव सोचो, हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहो, अच्छा सोचो, अच्छा होगा. अगर मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि आपके साथ कभी गलत नहीं होगा, गलत होगा, पर आप उस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन को पॉजिटिव वे में देखोगे, आप उससे कुछ सीखोगे, आप वहाँ से एलिवेट होगे, अपने आप को एलिवेट करोगे, आपका सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट होगा. ये बिल्कुल नहीं है कि हम बहुत अच्छा सोचेंगे तो होगा ही नहीं. आज से हम सोचना शुरू कर देते कि कोरोना ख़त्म हो जाए, ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है नहीं. बट वी कैन अडेप्ट टू द चेंज इन अ पॉजिटिव वे. वी कैन फ्लरिश आवरसेल्व्स विथ फ्यू स्किल्स. वी कैन एलिवेट आवरसेल्व्स with gaining more knowledge. So all these things are positive, and once your mindset is positive, everything looks to be very perfect. So that is what the personality development and enhancing the sattva means. Personality development moves from pure consciousness, gradually enhancing the 5 sattvas. So पर्सनालिटी एंड द एनवायरनमेंट. देखो, अगर एनवायरनमेंट है तो हम हैं, अदरवाइज वी आर नो वेयर. एंड what exactly does it mean? We are the part of environment. Environment is not by us, हम उससे हैं. Build a relationship between the individual consciousness and the universal consciousness. Go beyond your tiny self. Your consciousness is made up of petty contents. Your family, your house, your country, maybe your friends, your name for that matter, the traditions which you follow, even the supreme power which you believe in. So all these things makes the individual consciousness. And you are frightened, you are ambitious, you are greedy, you are envious. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स नीड टू बी लेफ्ट आउट. हमारी पर्सनालिटी से इनको माइनस करते जाएंगे इंडिविजुअल कॉन्शियसनेस से, तब हम यूनिवर्सल कॉन्शियसनेस पे पहुंचेंगे. वी एंड मी, हमें मी से वी तक के पहुंचना है. गो बियॉन्ड योर टाइनी सेल्फ, दैट इज व्हाट इट ऑल मीन्स. जस्ट yourself is not the personality. You are the blessing of, you are the combination of, you are the result of everything what is happening around you, and whatever is happening around you is your environment. Now, पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट की जब मैं बात करती हूँ, पंचसत्व की बात करती हूँ, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको कहाँ तक के देखो एलिवेट करके ले जाती हैं. यू गेट अ हाई हेल्दियर लाइफ, यू बिकम, योर लाइफ बिकम मोर फुलफिलिंग, राइट. यू गेट अ developed self-awareness. You start achieving the long-term goals by setting the small goals each day, each time, and going towards the long-term goals. And it all helps you to have a improved time and energy management. पंचसत्व की बात की, और उसके बाद देखो कितने सारे पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट्स हमारे लाइफ में आते हैं. सो be unique, be you, and be original. Now, what exactly does it mean when we are talking this in respect of Panchasattva? When you want to have a developed personality, never ever compare yourself to others. You must consider the 5 sattvas, the 5 aspects of personal development, for it will take and it will make miraculous changes, miraculous improvements in your life. I am going to just reflect on the few points coming to the end of the session. The social aspect is all about the activities relating or involving the people in the society around you. Another aspect, the physical aspect, the health issue, the health and your physical being, your appearance. It helps an individual becomes more presentable, perform the task smartly, and every day you need to elevate yourself. You need to have the target within you, for you. The emotional aspect is all about the emotions, the feelings of every individuals, and never ever let emotion control you. This is very important. You need to control your emotions. Never let the emotions control yourself, otherwise the game is over there, right? So इसलिए मैंने बोला कि mental सत्वा जो होता है वो बहुत important होता है. Coming to the mental sattva, it is mentally stronger you. Know your capacities, learn the things, and be able to alter your reactions to the emotions, to the situations, to the environment, and the spiritual aspect, the spiritual sattva. It is about creating a deeper connection to the world which surrounds you from inside out. Involve the people, involve the environment, involve all the things, and be spiritual in your ways. Be humble, be connected to the environment around you. And I'm not saying anyone कि 10 घंटे पूजा करो, being spiritual. No, just be yourself. Believe in yourself. That is being spiritual. So the personal or the personality development is a major time saver. आप लोगों ने भी कहा है अपने ब्रोशर में, the better you become, the less time it takes to achieve your goal, right? So be yourself and don't ever quit. Always keep on doing something, absorbing the good things from the environment, and all these aspects are very important, for it will help you to develop yourself. You are the only one who can help yourself, right? No one is going to come and help you in this. It is gradual, it is continuous, and you yourself is important. You yourself is responsible for your personality, for your development. So at the end note, I would like to say the quest to define, to classify, to explain what is the personality development determines the way we think, we perceive, we feel, and react to certain situation. It has always been an enigma, right? There are a number of ways, perspectives, perceptions, and models of personality development. There are n number of models, there are n number of perception, there are n number of perspectives to look at the study or look at the phenomena of personality development. But they all agree to one thing. What is that one thing? The key benefit of personality development is the overall shine that is brought about into a person's personality. So the overall demeanor of a person is more vibrant. It develops the elements of many traits that form a charming whole, and there is sharpening of personality for better. So personality development seems to be the area of study, seems to be an area or the stream of study which is ever expanding. So the quest always continues. There is no end to the personality development. It is a journey, it is not a destination. So with this, I'm coming to the question answer session. If you have any questions, I'm open for those questions. You can unmute your mic, you can click on your cameras so that I can see you, I can hear you, and I can answer you. No one?
Students, are there any questions from your sides?
Ma'am, how to solve the problem of getting jealous from?
What? You are not clear.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, I request you to please आप अपना कैमरा ऑन करें, मैं आपको देख सकूं.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, कुत्ता दिला. चलो, ऐसे कट कर.
Hello. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Palash.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you today?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your question, Palash?
Ma'am, my question is, ma'am, how can we solve the problem of jealousy, ma'am?
Jealousy.
Yes,
आपको
ma'am. What
किसको देख
happened?
के या क्या करके jealousy होता है?
नहीं मैम, कभी कभी कैसा रहता है मैम कि जैसे आपने पर्सनालिटी पर्सनल ग्रोथ के बारे में डिस्कस किया मैम, तो कैसा मैम कि जैसे सोशल मीडिया में देख सकते हैं मैम कि ये उसने अच्छा सूट पहना है, उसका अपर अपीयरेंस अच्छा है, तो हम कंपेयर करते कि नहीं मैम उसका अपीयरेंस
मैंने
अच्छा है.
इसलिए क्या बताया, देखो पलाश, the essence of today's session was Panchasattva. You
Yes,
need
ma'am.
to come from inside out. When you are good inside, when you have good feelings, just looking at a person who is wearing very good clothes does not mean he's a good person, right?
Yes,
You can't judge a person out of his personal appearance. That is not the only thing you can judge on a person. So just looking at a person who is wearing a very branded, very costly three-piece suit does not mean you need to start having a jealousy with him. उसके पीछे देखो, मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि अच्छी बात नहीं है हमेशा. उसके पीछे उसकी मेहनत होगी, जो वो इतने अच्छे कपड़े अफोर्ड कर पा रहा है, आपने उसकी मेहनत
Okay,
नहीं
ma'am.
देखी, राइट?
यस मैम, वो भी हूँ। यस मैम।
हाँ, फिर आपने उसका नॉलेज एजुकेशन नहीं देखा, आपने केवल उसका पर्सनल अपीयरेंस देखा, तो आप कैसे जेलस फील सकते हैं? उसके पीछे की जर्नी तो पता होनी चाहिए आपको कि वो यहाँ तक के
हाँ।
पहुँचा कैसे। हो सकता है उसका फैमिली बैकग्राउंड इतना एफ्लुएंट हो, उसने कुछ भी नहीं किया। देखो, होते हैं बहुत लोग, कुछ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं होती, अच्छे कपड़े पहन के घूम सकते हैं, पर क्या वो किसी काम आएंगे जब उसके पास कोई नॉलेज ही नहीं है, उसके पास कोई बैकग्राउंड ही नहीं है, उसके पास खुद को साबित करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है? तो तब तो आपको बिल्कुल भी जेलस नहीं होना चाहिए उससे।
यस मैम।
और अगर जेलस हो रहे हो और वो सेल्फ मेड मैन है, सेल्फ प्रूव्ड है, सो यू शुड गेट अ लेसन फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन कि इस पूरी जर्नी में उसने कितनी मेहनत की है यहाँ तक के आने के लिए।
यस मैम।
मैंने आंसर दिया आपके क्वेश्चन का? आर यू
Yes,
सैटिस्फाइड
ma'am.
विद आंसर?
यस मैम।
राइट।
मैम एक लास्ट पूछना था कि मैम कभी कभी ऐसा रहता है कि मैम हम एफर्ट्स ले रहे हैं और रिजल्ट भी दिखा रहे हैं मैम, तो कभी कभी कैसा रहता है मैम कि हम देखते रहते हैं कि नहीं यार, ये जो दूसरा बंदा है इसके पास बहुत से लोग आ रहे हैं, इससे पूछ रहे हैं ज्यादा, नहीं इससे
क्या कुछ?
एडवाइसेस ले रहे, मतलब कुछ भी मैम ऐसा नॉलेज का वगैरह कुछ भी, तो हम भी देखते रहते हैं कि इस बंदे का इन्फ्लुएंस थोड़ा ज्यादा है, ऐसा
So
कोई भी
that
फील्ड।
person has worked a lot on creating influence on other person. You also need to work on that. How to create an influential personality. You have to work on that. See, I told
Okay.
it is not one day program. It is a continuous journey. आप उसे ऑब्जर्व करो, उसमें क्या क्या अच्छाइयाँ हैं वो देखो, और उससे भी अच्छा बनने की कोशिश करो, उससे ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंशियल बनो।
ओके मैम।
So good
Okay,
to
thank you.
hear it from Palash.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम।
Most welcome. Anyone?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Sahil.
Yes, ma'am.
Sahil, may I see you?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, the program was very lovely and it was very important for us to know the every aspect that you told. So, ma'am, my question is that how should we improve our patience day by day?
How we should grow?
Yeah, patience. Yeah,
Patience.
once like many times like we give up or something like, so how to
See,
improve it?
for me, it is, I'm telling it from my experience. Right? Now I am in the age where few things does not matter me. जो आपके एज में मैटर करता होगा, डेफिनेटली व्हेन आई वाज इन योर एज, डेफिनेटली लॉट मेनी थिंग्स यूज्ड टू मैटर मी and it used to disturb me as well. With the age थोड़ा सा फ़र्क पड़ता है। दूसरा, इस एज में अभी क्या करना है, आपको प्रॉब्लम है आपके पेशेंस के साथ।
No, लाइक पेशेंस में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पर वो ऐसे बहुत बार होता है कि लाइक क्या मिलेगा करके, तो लाइक
क्या मिलेगा मतलब लाइफ में
लाइक
क्या मिलेगा?
नो लाइक पेशेंस, लाइक इतना पेशेंस रख के क्या मिलेगा,
इतना
वैसे टाइप।
पेशेंस रख के क्या मिलेगा?
लेकिन कभी कभी सिचुएशन रहती है ना, समटाइम्स देयर आर सिचुएशन लाइक व्हेन यू आर नॉट like as per me, like I am in home and not able to meet like someone, so I am keeping patient from like last 3 months, so that's why.
My son has not stepped out of the house since last 1 year.
Okay.
See, there are few things which we can change.
Yes, ma'am.
There are few things which are out of our control, right, Sahil?
Yes, ma'am.
The situation right now is not in our hands.
Yes.
You need to react to the situation. देखो, मैंने एक्शन और रिएक्शन की बात की थी सिचुएशन को लेके.
Yes.
This is the time for that. How you react, how you act for in a particular situation builds your personality or it mars your personality. आप घर पे बैठे हो बड़े आराम से, बड़े मज़े से, और इतने अच्छा प्रोग्राम कर रहे हो। ऐसे ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स हैं जो आप कर सकते हो। आप अपना नॉलेज गेन कर सकते हो, आप अपने स्किल्स डेवलप कर सकते हैं। सो ऑल दीज आर ब्लेसिंग्स. सो स्टार्ट काउंटिंग योर ब्लेसिंग्स. ठीक है, घर से बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे हैं पर रीज़न बहुत बड़ा है, आपकी जान बनी हुई है उस पे।
Yes.
आपकी जान ही नहीं रहेगी तो काय का पेशेंस और क्या, कुछ नहीं। So few situations are out of our control. We need to be adjustive with our surrounding, with the environment, and we try to get the best out of it. मोल्ड करना है हमें निगेटिविटी को पॉजिटिविटी में, ये भी पॉइंट मैंने बताया आपको।
Yes.
आपको कभी ऐसा बहुत ही, मैं मानती हूँ कि बहुत बोर हो जाता है कभी कभी, बहुत मतलब एवरीथिंग बिकम्स लाइक कि जस्ट इट इज़ नाउ, दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ द डे। कुछ ऐसा करो जो आपको खुशी देता हो। आप गाने सुनो, आप गाने सुन के भी बोर हो गए तो आप सो जाओ, आप कुछ खेलो, आप अपने फिजिकल अपीयरेंस पे काम कर सकते हो। घर पे आप बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें कर सकते हैं जो आपको फिजिकली फिट बनाए आने वाले दिनों के लिए।
Yes, ma'am.
आई होप आई हैव आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन।
Yes, ma'am. And one more question, like what do you do when you are angry? Like how you handle
What
it?
I do, see, I have so many hobbies. I'm blessed with so many hobbies. I write. I have a blog with the name of Srijan Rachna. You can visit that blog too. I'm a very good painter. I paint a lot. I love listening to music. I love cooking.
Okay.
And I don't have mates.
Okay.
So, and I have so many lectures in a day. And I enjoy my lectures.
Yes, ma'am.
एंड उसके बाद मैं डेफिनेटली मेरे बेटे के लिए बहुत सारा टाइम रखती हूँ।
Okay. Ma'am, but like if you like get angry, like
एंग्री,
sometimes we don't know like what
एंग्री,
to do. Yeah,
हाँ,
ma'am.
एंग्री
So
होते हैं
that.
जब कुछ नहीं करना होता है, गुस्सा आता है, तब क्या करें?
Ma'am, so how you handle like if I am angry that I won't be able to like do a drawing or a sketch like when I do my sketching like I do it in one go because it like it represent my mood. So if I
या
am
राइट,
angry, the drawing will get uh,
तो उस
bad.
समय वो मत करो, उस समय आप अपना वर्जिश करो, फिजिकल फिटनेस पे काम करो। जब आप गुस्सा हो,
Okay.
यू गेट अ गुड रिजल्ट।
Yes, ma'am.
गाने सुनो अच्छे,
I don't
कुछ
like to
लिखने
hear
की
songs.
कोशिश करो। हाँ, यू डोंट लाइक लिसनिंग टू सॉन्ग्स?
No.
ओके, हर एक का अपना अपना वो रहता है। कुछ नहीं तो अपने सिबलिंग के साथ थोड़ी सी लड़ाई झगड़ा कर सकते हैं,
No, I
उसमें
have a
कोई
single
बंदिश नहीं है।
child.
सो इट्स ऑल over there. You can talk to your parents, you can talk to your siblings, you can spend time with your grandparents if you are blessed to have one.
Yes, ma'am.
You have so many things on the social media. मूवी देख लो, गाने नहीं सुनने हैं तो। See, it is all personal.
Yes, ma'am.
What makes you feel comfortable? But
Yes, ma'am.
it should always channelize your energy in a positive way.
Yes.
कि वो करने के बाद तुम्हें अच्छा लगना चाहिए। हमारा एंड रिजल्ट क्या होना चाहिए? फीलिंग गुड, फीलिंग कंटेंट,
Okay.
राइट?
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
ओके, नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू।
Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day.
सेम टू यू। एनीवन?
Excuse me, ma'am.
या पूजा? Who's there?
Ma'am, if Pooja is speaking, then
Yeah, sure, पूजा, go ahead.
मैम थोड़ा ना एंगर मैनेजमेंट का प्रॉब्लम है बहुत, तो
एंगर मैनेजमेंट का प्रॉब्लम है तो फिर सबसे अच्छी बात है आप जो है वो, जब भी आपको गुस्सा आता है ना पूजा, पहले तो आप अपना कैमरा ऑन कीजिए। मुझे जब गुस्सा आता है, सो व्हाट आई डू नॉर्मली इज आई जस्ट कीप क्वाइट, आई स्टार्ट काउंटिंग आइदर बैकवर्ड। सबसे अच्छा मेरे लिए तरीका वो है, मैं बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करती हूँ, 100 से
Okay,
शुरू
ma'am.
करती हूँ। मोस्ट प्रॉबेबली डिपेंड्स ऑन माई गुस्सा. 40-50 पे आते आते बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग से 40-50 पर आते आते वो शांत हो चुका होता है. या कभी
नहीं
कभी मैं चिल्ला भी देती हूँ बहुत बार.
मैम, चिल्ला बट कभी कभी जब गुस्सा आता है तो स्केचेस बना लेती हूँ तो उससे शांत हो जाता है. देन फिर ऐसा लगता है कि फालतू कर दिया.
हाँ देखो, तुम्हें रियलाइज होता है ना, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पूजा. एक बार गुस्सा शांत होने के बाद जस्ट गो बैक, रिफ्लेक्ट कि तुम्हें गुस्सा क्यों आया, राइट? और 99% टाइम्स यू विल फाइंड दैट तुमने जो गुस्सा किया था वो बहुत ही छोटी सी बात थी, राइट? So analysis is very important and it is always going to help you out.
यस मैम.
बहुत बार गुस्सा आता है तब मैं किसी से बात भी नहीं करती ना, कभी मैं काउंट डाउन करती हूँ, मैं बस चुपचाप बैठी रहती हूँ. मुझे गाने सुनना बहुत पसंद है, मुझे पेड़ पौधों के साथ रहना बहुत पसंद है. सो आई डू दैट इज़ माई वे ऑफ कंट्रोलिंग माई एंगर.
कभी कोई छोटी जब ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं करना चाहिए कंट्रोल तो ऐसे होता है.
नेवर डू दैट, नेवर सप्रेस योर एंगर. सप्रेस कभी नहीं करना, जो है वो सामने होना चाहिए. अदरवाइज वॉट, देखो बहुत साइकोलॉजी वाली बात है, बहुत हम डीप में चले जाएंगे अगर हम इस पर बात करेंगे. इट स्टार्ट्स बिल्डिंग इनसाइड यू विच इज़ नॉट गुड एंड वन डे इट विल इरप्ट लाइक अ वॉल्केनो, है ना? सो इट शुड नॉट डू. अच्छा, सुजीत सर कह रहे हैं जिसको ज़्यादा गुस्सा आता है वो सेल्फी ले लेता है. सर दैट्स वेरी ट्रू इन माई केस टू. आई टेक अ सेल्फी definitely with my plants.
नहीं मैम, मुझे गुस्सा आता है तो सेल्फी नहीं लेती हूँ बट नेचर जैसे कोई फ्लावर न्यू ब्लू उसका एक कितना या
See,
फिर से
we
बारिश
have to find out. देखो ये हमेशा हिट एंड ट्रायल वाली बात है कि आप कैसे पैसिफाई होते हो, है ना? कभी गुस्सा होते हो तो आपको कोई चीज़ अच्छी लगती है, आप उसमें अपना दिल लगाते हो और अपना गुस्सा भूल जाते हो, बाद में आप रिफ्लेक्ट करते हो और सिचुएशन क्लियर. सो इट्स लाइक हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड.
एक मतलब एक ऐसा कभी पॉइंट आता है जब ऐसा लगता है कि गुस्से को कंट्रोल नहीं करना चाहिए तो उस टाइम क्या करते हैं? ना कंट्रोल या फिर
नहीं तो फिर निकाल दो अपना पूरा गुस्सा, कोई बात नहीं, चलता है, बिल्कुल मोस्ट वेलकम. बाकी सब लोग चुप रहेंगे उस दिन, तुम बोलोगी. But it should not be a regular feature.
रेगुलरली नहीं, ऐसे कभी कभी हो जाता है बहुत सी.
That's always normal.
एकदम माइनर.
Yeah, that is a normal process, so don't worry about it. You are a normal human being.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Pooja. So nice talking to you.
Ma'am.
And yes.
Ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am,
Yeah,
actually,
Charu?
I think a lot, ma'am. Means कोई भी छोटी छोटी बात होती है ना, तो मतलब इनकेस मुझे किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो मैं बहुत सोचती हूँ उस बारे में. मीन्स मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं ना सोचूं, फिर भी मतलब वो दिमाग में बातें चालू ही रहती है और फिर पूरा मूड मतलब जो होता है.
तुम अपने से ज़्यादा लोगों को इम्पोर्टेंस देती हो.
Yes, ma'am.
Start loving yourself for what you are today, and you need to improve each and every day. आज जो हो उससे तो खुद से प्यार करना शुरू करो और साथ में ये अपने इसमें मोटो ज़रूर रखो कि मैं रोज़ कुछ ना कुछ इम्प्रूव करूँगी अपने आप में. ठीक है, दूसरों का इम्पोर्टेंस होना चाहिए हमारी ज़िंदगी में, बट फर्स्ट start loving yourself, start valuing yourself, and it will lower down all your problems. ये एक फनल की तरह काम करेगा. फिर आप जो आपके काम की बात नहीं है, जो लोग बोल रहे हैं जिससे आपको बिल्कुल भी मतलब नहीं होना चाहिए, आप उसे फनल डाउन करते जाएंगे, फिल्टर करते जाएंगे.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Charu. I can't see you. I want to see you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's it. So nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
Charu.
you, ma'am.
Any other question? I really request all the participants to please आप अपना कैमरा ऑन करें और किसी एक स्टूडेंट को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी प्लीज हैव अ स्क्रीनशॉट. Please turn on your cameras. We all are looking very beautiful and we all are smart and beautiful. Keep this in mind. So turn on your cameras, everyone. I'm requesting all. I'm requesting some students to have a screenshot, or Mansi ma'am, please send it to me. Mansi, nahi, Muktai. Sorry. कौन ले रहा है ये पता होना चाहिए.
Ma'am,
Okay, Palash.
not there.
Palash is taking.
No, just a second, ma'am. Mukta is not there today. So
Okay.
instead of her, I'm taking the screenshot. I would request Shruti, Sunaina, Aditi, Reena, Shreya, Asta, Janvi, please switch on your cameras.
So it is always a good memory.
Yes. Yes, thank you so much,
Thank
everyone.
you. Ma'am, I hope the question answers session is done and nobody have any further question. And if they have, yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
I
yeah.
think
Please
there
continue.
is
Continue.
one student
Yeah.
here.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Ma'am, actually, my name is Aishwarya. I joined it with a different name because I got disconnected in the middle of this meeting.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am. And
Good
my
afternoon,
question is, how
Aishwarya.
can we? Yes. How can we lower our expectations for other people and objects? We usually keep many expectations on them and get easily disappointed. Then how do we get out of that habit?
See, when you love someone, you have much more expectation from that particular individual, right? Is that your question? You expect much more? You need to see what exactly you are giving that particular person in return. Why you are expecting the things from that particular person? What you have to give that person? Do you have anything to give in return or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And why anyone will do anything for you? You as an individual should be self capable of doing all the things for yourself. So lower down the expectations as much as you can, and it is not one day process. It will take time, definitely. Therefore I told you, don't ever let the emotions control you. You need to control your emotions. Your mind has to be the boss most of the times. I'm not saying all the times, I'm saying most of the times, because emotions, the feelings are the ingredients, the sattva which make us human beings, right? If we don't have emotions, if we don't have the feeling, the strong feelings, we are not human beings, we are devils. So that is also one of the very important sattva in us. But as I told you, mental sattva is here and all other sattvas come here. How you use them is up to you, and this defines your personality. It elevates your personality, right? So don't ever let your emotion control you. You need to control your emotions.
Thank
Okay?
you, ma'am. You answered that very nicely.
Thank you, Aishwarya. Nice talking to you. प्रोकास्टिनेशन बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है. प्रोकास्टिनेशन किसने पूछा मुझसे?
रचना,
हम्म,
ये सब ऐसा ही चलता रहेगा, उनको बोलो
मैं भी
कल
वही
बात करनी
सर,
है।
अगर कभी अगर कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं सर, तो यू ऑलवेज हैव माय मेल आईडी, यू कैन शेयर इट विद स्टूडेंट्स
कल भी हो सकता है ना।
एंड या डेफिनेटली कल भी हो
पूरा
सकता
सुनने के
है।
बाद, पूरा सुनने
बिल्कुल
के बाद
बिल्कुल,
करेंगे। हाँ,
जरूर जरूर।
ठीक है। और डाउट सॉल्विंग में भी कर सकते हो अगर उनको
आप
चाहिए
लिख
रहे।
के रखिए, मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला, आप नोट डाउन
राइट,
करके रखें। आप मुझे मेल भी कर सकते हैं, और कल के सेशन में हमें टाइम मिला तो वी विल डेफिनेटली टेक दोज आंसर क्वेश्चंस।
राइट। टाइम ओवररन को हमको ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा।
डेफिनेटली,
राइट।
आई वाज लुकिंग दैट ये 1.5 आवर हो चुका है पहले।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
So I
ठीक
think
है।
that's all for the day. And
राइट।
thank you, Sujit sir. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you, the fabulous participants. We'll meet tomorrow. See you.
Students, a request.
Yeah.
Somebody can propose a vote of thanks, a formal one. I know there are many thank you messages in the chat box, but I would request some of the students, at least one of the students, should take the initiative and propose a vote of thanks, a quick vote of thanks. Anyone?
I think they will give me a vote of thanks tomorrow. So no need to have it today. With this, I think, ma'am, I should leave the meeting. It's almost a 1.5 hour, and I have a session, another
Right.
session, right? So thank you all from my side, and have a good day.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Take care.
everyone. Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
Thank